Watch this big male orangutan. He's going to clean his eye. He comes close to the window so he can see his reflection, and he starts cleaning the eye. Okay, so he starts doing that. And this kid gets really interested in him, this little boy. He's really intrigued by it. Now watch what happens here. I'm going to get really close to him. You know, he licks it right there. I'm going to get really close to him. You'll see right up here. And he's going to show his teeth. So be prepared to see it. It's really interesting. Any dentist out there? There he is. Yeah, nice teeth. Nice good set of teeth. Any dentist out there, give me your opinion. So there he is. He's still, licking his eye and, scraping his eye and licking it. And in this one, he's doing that. As he's doing that, you see the little baby orangutan climb down to the trench. Here he is now sitting down, and he's doing some more grooming on his back of his hand. And here comes this other orangutan approaching him to examine him and check him out and see everything's okay. They do this quite a bit to help each other.